so if you look back a few days or maybe like a week from this video, you will see my how-to video on how to make this. And when I first started, the vegetables, the spicy herbs and onions and peppers were like very vibrant colored. But now they look faded, very faded. And that's because the properties from the food in here has soaked into or emanated or seeped into the apple cider vinegar, and this vinegar is going to be very spicy and very pungent and have all these flavors from the onion and the garlic and the ginger. So I want to measure how much liquid I have, and then I'm going to add equal parts of raw honey. So here we go. I'm going to do my measurement. I have a measuring cup that goes up to 4 cups. I have a strainer and I have a bowl over here, and I'll measure and let you know how much I have. So I just poured half of this into my bowl. I had 4 cups and I still have more in the jar, and I just tried a piece of the onion and it's very flavorful, very good. And I'm debating what I want to do with all this because I don't want to throw it out. It tastes like pickled, pickled vegetables that are spicy. So I think I'm going to put them in another jar with some more apple cider vinegar just to eat like a condiment, and then turn this into my fire cider, or I'm calling hot winter tonic. Okay, so before I do the blending of the honey and the vinegar for my hot winter tonic, I want to save these vegetables because we have been sampling them and they're delicious and they're firm and crunchy and spicy. So I left all of the vegetables in here, the onions, the garlic, the hot peppers, ginger, and turmeric. And I'm just going to add water to about halfway. I do not want to put pure vinegar in again this time because I feel like it has had enough vinegar. And now I'm going to use the apple cider vinegar and go the rest of the way. And then I'm just going to store this in my refrigerator. And then this is my pickled peppers that we can eat. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the liquid that I poured off for my tonic liquid. Okay, so this is my poured off hot winter tonic liquid. So basically it's like my tincture that I made with apple cider vinegar and the peppers and the onions and garlic and ginger and turmeric. And I poured it into a sanitized jar. And I had over 5 cups. And what I decided to do was heat up 2.5 cups of honey. And I just low heated it, just so that I can blend it. So I'm going to pour this into the jar and then stir it with a spoon, and that is going to be my finished tonic. Okay, so I just added my honey and have increased the volume, and because it was warm, it is now going to blend nicely with the vinegar. And this is going to be my storage jar, but I'm going to bottle this into a smaller sized bottle to store in my cabinet or in my refrigerator so that we can take a spoonful daily as our tonic, because tonic means something you can have daily. So let me show you that step. Okay, so now I have an amber bottle, and I save all of my bottles because invariably I need them for projects like these. And I have a funnel, and I'm going to just pour this honey vinegar liquid into the bottle until I get it filled up. There you go.
Mama.
Okay, so now it's time to taste it. I'm just going to pour some on the spoon. Try not to make a face. It's good. Could be a little bit hotter, I think, but I'm pretty used to spicy. Has a nice flavor, and So a spoonful of that is your daily medicine, daily dose, or just put it in on salads. Use it liberally. And those onions and garlic help keep that immune system working the way it's supposed to. So thanks for watching my videos. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, and make a nice comment, and come back for another video.